Managing Hadoop manually from the command line is confusing and time-consuming, so there needs to be a straightforward automated way, which is why Cloudera Manager exists. Cloudera Manager makes managing Hadoop in production easy. With a straightforward web UI, you can easily install, monitor and manage your cluster, as well as configure all the services with guidance based on Cloudera best practices. If I now log into Cloudera Manager, I can immediately see an overview of my cluster. On the left-hand side, I can see which services are installed and running and their state. This uses a simple red, amber, green model, where green is good health, amber is concerning health, which is where there could be some warnings which need to be dealt with, or if I had any services failing, I would see them as red for bad health. Cloudera Manager automates the installation of all these services, as well as some tools outside of the Hadoop ecosystem, which are provided by Cloudera partners. On the right-hand side, you can see some useful charts allowing you to get an immediate view of how the cluster is performing, for example, CPU, disk I/O, and completed queries. If you click on a particular service, let's say Hive, then you'll see charts specific to the performance of that particular service. Cloudera Manager also supports administration of multiple clusters from one single dashboard. In this case, I've only got one cluster, but if I click this Add Cluster button at the top right, I'd be able to add a cluster, perhaps adding my QA and production clusters, so I'd be able to monitor them all from the same interface.